In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically resize your cells in Google Sheets. Have you ever found yourself frustrated by awkwardly cut off text or numbers that just don't fit right in their cells? Well, today I am here to show you a remarkably simple method to tackle this issue, ensuring that all your data is visible, tidy, and perfectly aligned. We're going to start by directing our attention to the selection corner, the white rectangle at the very top left of your Google Sheets. This little square is your gateway to managing the entire worksheet, and by simply clicking on this area, you'll select the complete sheet, all the rows, columns, and data you have within. Once the entire sheet is highlighted, it opens up a world of possibilities for adjusting your cells. Now, I want you to find where the cells meet each other, either between the row numbers on the left or the column letters up top. You'll see these lines that separate each row and column. These are the dividers that determine the cell's dimensions, and by hovering your cursor there, you'll be ready to make a change. With a click and a drag, you can manually adjust the width or height to your liking. This is especially helpful if you have a specific size in mind or need to make uniform changes across the board. However, there's an even easier and quicker solution if you're aiming for the perfect fit without the guesswork, especially when your data varies in size. If precision and efficiency are what you're after, simply double-click on the line between the cells. This action invokes auto-sizing, and here's the magic part. It automatically adjusts each selected row or column to match the largest content in the respective cell. This means each cell will resize just enough to comfortably fit their contents without excess space. This approach is incredibly useful when working with diverse sets of data, where text and numbers are unpredictable in length. With just a couple of clicks, you'll have a neat and orderly sheet that's easy on the eyes and ready for review or presentation. As you incorporate this method into your workflow, you'll quickly realize how much smoother it makes managing and visualizing data. It's these small tricks that transform a sometimes tedious task into a seamless and even satisfying process. So whether you're preparing spreadsheets for a big meeting, organizing personal expenses, or anything in between, remember this simple, effective tool for managing your data layout. It's all about maximizing efficiency and ensuring your information is as accessible and clear as possible. Make sure to give this method a try and enjoy a more organized Google Sheets experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next